Okay, how many times have you seen someone pick up a microphone, be handed a microphone, and only to ask the group, can everyone hear me without this? And then put it down. We've all seen it. We may have even done it. And guess what? They just broke the number one rule of microphones. Whether it's presentations at work, acceptance speeches, toasts at parties, leading a meeting, or telling a story to a table full of dinner guests, we all speak to groups. So let's explore some of the rules of communicating effectively and to a group. There are some practical tools like understanding the anatomy of a microphone or harnessing the power of a pause, which can help you level up your communication skills. We're going to learn some interesting and useful tips for addressing groups from me, a national speaker and facilitator. So let's get ready to engage and rethink what we know about the logistics and practice of verbal communication and find out what is the number one rule of microphones. Are you ready? Let's do this.